is the way the manufacturer suggests to fix the pad on the dashboard, I decided to go another way, to use a car-specific adapter from Brodit, as you can see on the next pictures. The clip I did choose fits the area at the hazard light switch and differs by the trim. So you have to pay attention to the trim your car has got. The first clip is for the aluminium trim, and the other one is for the wood panel trim. So pay attention to get the right one fitting your car. The shorter version is for the aluminium trim, and the longer one is for the wood panel trim. In addition to the Pro clip, I screwed a so-called Move clip onto the top of the Pro clip. The Move clip lets you easily slide in and out the screen from the mounting clip, so it's not fixed permanently to the car anymore. The Move clip consists of at least two parts. The first one gets screwed on top of the Pro clip, and the other part gets attached to the back side of the screen. When installing the Pro clip to the dashboard, I strongly advise you to be very careful. I almost broke mine after putting too much force into putting it into the final position. I almost broke the thinner plastic end, and yeah, you have to really be careful not to break it.
Bye.